Around the world, the pressure is on to better protect nature. Here in Japan, businesses like this vineyard are grasping the challenge with the support of an international framework that aims to grow nature-positive economies. Let's find out how it's making a difference. Located near Ueda in central Japan, the Chateau Mercian Mariko Vineyard and Winery is home to 8 grape varieties, making for a busy harvest time when they're transformed into wines for the Japanese market and beyond.
このエリアはですね、昔はですね、桑畑だったんですね。で、蚕を育てて糸を紡いで、養蚕業が盛んだったエリアなんですけども、養蚕業というものがだんだん衰退するに従ってですね、ここの桑畑が使われなくなって荒廃地になってしまう。
The vineyard transformed the landscape. Now grassland and plants have returned, helping to boost some endangered species.
たくさんの植物多様性が戻ってくるとですね、それを餌としている昆虫ですね、とか、蝶々だとかそういったものも同時にまた舞い戻っていく、植物にとってもそれから昆虫たちにとっても非常にこうですね、多様性を生み出す土地になってきているという状況になります。
There's also a circular approach here. Remains from grape pressing are composted and returned to the land as fertilizer. And as part of a new trial, vine waste is being transformed into a type of charcoal called biochar.
剪定した枝をですね、この中で高温で燃やすことによって CO2 を発生させることなくこのような炭になってくれます。ですね、これを土壌に戻すことによって土壌改良剤としても使うことができます。
The vineyard, which involves the local community, including school children, has long assessed its impact on nature. The vineyard's owner, Kirin Holdings Company, was one of 80 early adopters in Japan of a framework launched by the Global Task Force on Nature-Related Financial Disclosures, or TNFD. It encourages businesses everywhere to assess, report, and act on nature-related risks and impacts. The overall aim is to get more data for businesses and investors, creating new commercial opportunities and shifting global capital to more positive outcomes for nature.
Nature capture and water is our business materiality, so we need to use sustainability. That is the reason why we should try to disclosure in TNFD. This is a very special nature because it needs human activities. It is not a nature like Amazon.
Elsewhere, here in Tokyo and across Japan, those signed up to the disclosure framework represent 30 sectors, from construction to ICT.
The global and large companies should take a lead and support the mid-sized and small companies to help them to assess their risks and also support them to find the opportunities in the nature-positive business.
The disclosures framework comes amid efforts to realise goals from the COP15 Biodiversity Summit 2 years ago. The aim is to put 30% of the planet and 30% of degraded ecosystems under protection by 2030.
Without nature, we have nothing.
For this Tokyo professor, putting a price on nature is key to its protection.
The investment in nature, safeguarding nature, is not rewarded under the economic system. If we were able to put the monetary value on natural capital, and people started to see it's a kind of opportunity, business opportunity, to invest in those activities, that's the shift of the new economic system.
Nature-positive economies are a focus for the Global Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. This year, its Ministerial Council is chaired by Japan as the country looks to further build on its nature-positive contribution.